intrinsic, then the search for intrinsic value started. What is this crazy thing called intrinsic value? Then slowly intrinsic value is,
which led you to the concept of margin of safety?
Margin of safety. And then
explain that. How do you use that? What does it mean to you?
Yeah, margin of safety, the concept obviously came in 95, 96, but I could sense that what he's saying, there is a formal value, there are three values. One is the book value, second is the intrinsic value, and third is the market value. So market value obviously has to be far lower than the intrinsic value for any stock to be bought. But the issue is, the trick is in understanding the intrinsic value itself. If you can reach the intrinsic value, there is no issue about you being successful or not.
It's pretty much guaranteed. Yeah. The odds would be in your favor.
Yeah.
And you understood it from various aspects, because I know of you personally over a long period of time.
Yeah.
One of your big calls was, say, buying a Hero Honda.
Yeah.
And you saw in that intrinsic value?
Yes, clearly. I think one of the things was that I somehow always was a growth company investor, but the buying growth at right price or buying ahead of the growth is the real trick to make money. So in Hero Honda, what happened was that when we went to meet them and we realized that currently, first thing what fascinated me was that in 95, 96, the product was in short supply, clearly in short supply. And I had personally experienced what the characteristics of the product is, because I was one of the allottees in 1985 of the first batch of Hero Honda.
And you grew up in Raipur, where people use two-wheelers.
Yes. So, I realized that what is the power of personal transport and importance of two-wheeler, and then I saw that there is a shortage. On the product, shortage. And we had seen the Bajaj Auto shortage for ages. So, that combined with the upcoming second plant. I mean, the plans for that was not known to the market at large, and it was, the whole company was elaborated about 500 crores with a turnover of about 11, 1200, 1300 crores.
Your margin of safety.
Yeah, and expected profit of about 100 crores. So 5-6 P you were getting.
So you had a circle of competency, that you understood this business, and a margin of safety, you're getting it cheap in both those. And over the third leg which you added is the compounding factor. Yeah,
then the real research starts after having bought the stock. I mean, you got it right.
Invest first and investigate. We'd love to go on and on, but we need to take a break. We'll pause, we'll come back, we'll chat some more with Raamdeo Agrawal on the Wizard.